Namaste and hello everyone. My name is Arpito Gop and I'm Tanmay's brother. I've taken the mantle of introducing my brother as don't get such an occasion, such an august audience. Most of you know him and I will try and not bore you with a long introduction. Our family is from Jamshedpur, also known as Tatanagar. My father was employed with Tata Motors, formerly known as Telco. Coming from a middle class family in a small town, our upbringing has been normal, but my parents ensured that we got the best of education, uh, went for extracurricular activities, scouts, and also visited historical places during the holidays. And they managed all this within a pretty small salary. We were also abroad for 5 years during our childhood in Seychelles, and that helped sort of mold our childhood in a big way. But most importantly, we have been exposed to the phenomenal social work and employee friendly work that the Tata Group does. And it has, in some ways, influenced our thinking in a big way. And it holds true for everyone coming out of Jamshedpur. Tanvi is a middle child, and that has its own advantages and disadvantages. He managed pretty well. He became a house captain in school, and by the time he reached the 10th standard, he had a very good group of school friends who are still in touch and remain very close to him even now. His group of friends and that batch ensured that we won all the uh, biggest music festivals, music, dance, drama in our town. And those 2 years helped Tanmay a lot get shaped as an outgoing and social person who could lead a team to perform a task. And those qualities carried over to the college days. I remember a very funny incident when I walked into college, my first day in college, and he was my senior. The college election results were announced the same day, and I was surprised and amused to see through the course of the day that both the winner and the loser personally thanking him for his support. I knew ये politician बनेगा नहीं तो कुछ बड़ा करेगा. We come from a very grounded, simple family. My parents live in a village outside Jamshedpur. The village has, of course, progressed now over the last few decades. My mother set up a microfinance for the women of the village, and with request from the block development officer, also helped set up microfinance in the villages around our village. They also always ensured that we had electric light in our garden and a place for the children of the village to come and study in the evening, because electricity at that time was not really in good supply. Uh, Tanmay has had to face an unfortunate tragedy in his life, and uh, he and Tejal they overcame that grief by building a health center in our village, and now it's run by Ramakrishna Mission. It provides healthcare to hundreds of villages. Tanmay won every singing competition in his school days up to his college days. Then he got married and went silent. But a few years earlier, he is again taken to singing, and now he sings in while he used to sing in West mostly in English. Now he sings in Hindi. His language has changed. Marriage does that sometimes. Marriage also provides stability, security, and friendship. And his wife Tejal has ensured in the last few decades that as Tanma has veered towards social causes, she has held fort and supported him in his causes wholeheartedly. Tanma and I have a very unique relationship. We do not express it in words nor attempt to. Once Tejal had said, Tanmay never laughs with anyone the way he laughs with you. I said, Bhai mera hai. But I think we just have this comfort with each other. We've grown up playing together, fighting together, singing together, fighting with others together, exploring the world together. And he cannot sit still. He needs a cause all the time. He often calls me late in the night saying, I have an idea. And most often, I reject the ideas, giving him the reason. He accepts it wordlessly and he moves on to another night and another idea. Tanmay wants to do good for the world. Annapurna has proven that he can do that with the right people. And I think the Rotary family, I think it's a great ship for him to sail in. Before his tryst with Rotary, he has been on the board of NGOs, been part of other social causes, and more. Tanmay doesn't have too much time for his parents, and they do complain about it. But there are many parents, many children without parents who have been touched by his work and by the goodness of his heart. And I always say that the price my family has to pay for not having Tanmay's time is insignificant because of the good that he can do to the world. Congratulations, dear Tanmay, and never stop, never slow down. You will always find support. Thank you.